everyone, this is Imelda again. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful scrub cap without a pattern. And I got this tutorial from Laura from So Very Easy. So in this one, we just need two fat garters which measures 22 inches by 18 inches wide. And we need another two strip of fabric which measures 22.5 inches by 2.5 inches. That is for our ties. And we need 8 inches elastic. Now we need to prepare for our ties, so we need to fold it in half and sew here and along the sides, leaving one end open for our elastic. I got 8 days off from work this week, so expect some few projects from me. This is what it looks like now for the ties, and now we're ready to turn it inside out. So here I'm using chopsticks to turn the fabric right side out. Now we're ready to attach our elastic to our ties. So just insert about 1 to 2 centimeters and then pin. And then after attaching both ends, after pinning it, we're gonna bring it to our sewing machine and sew. And now we're ready to make a scrub cap. So the 22 inches long facing you, so you're gonna mark from the edge 1.5 inches and mark it, because we're gonna leave it that marking without sewing it. We're gonna start sewing from the marking here, and then leave 2 to 3 inches gap, and then sew again to the other side of the marking. And then fold the fabric in half. Now we're ready to shape our scrub cap into a curve, so you can either estimate it, or here I'm gonna use a plate to make my curve. Now after that, we're ready to sew around the scrub cap using a 1/4 inch allowance, seam allowance. And then this is what it looks like now after we sewn it. So we're ready to turn our scrub cap to turn right side out. Looks, it's getting near now, and I love the fabric, it looks so pretty. So we just need to press it or iron it before sewing. This is the hole for our elastic, so we just need to tie it, to straighten it up. And you can see the opening here as well, so just fold it and then iron. And then we're ready to sew it to close the gap. So this is the hole for our ties then, and we're gonna leave it open. And now from 1.5 mark inch, we're gonna sew around the scrub cap. It's to make room for our ties. This is what it looks like now after sewing. And now we're ready to insert our ties. So I'm using a safety pin here to insert our tie. See, this is so very easy. Anybody can make this. So very thankful to Laura of So Very Easy. She's got a YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for showing us how to make this. I'm gonna make few for my friends and colleagues. So just keep pulling until you see the end, the connection of the elastic and the fabric. So you just need to put about 1 to 2 centimeters inside to hide the elastic, and then just spin it and sew it as well. And do the same on the other side. Now we're just gonna bring it to the sewing machine and sew it by here to secure our ties. Now we finish our scrub cap, and now I'm gonna show you how to wear this in different ways. I added a button as well on both sides, so we can use it for like air savers when working in the hospital. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the next time, for the next project, thank you so much. Thank you all. See you soon. Enjoy the weekend.